my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. It feels a little bit strange talking to the camera because I haven't filmed a home style vlog for a long while. I just want to have a big catch up on my channel and just get back to it really. Whilst I've got a bit of free time, because if you are new around here, I've got 6 kids, but my youngest 2 have just started preschool, meaning I'm child free. So here we are. I wanted today to put out some of our autumn decor because I haven't done any of it yet, and I just cannot wait to get it out and make this house really, really cozy. I've only got a couple of hours actually because I'm heading out to a eyelash appointment. I'm having my eyelash extensions taken off. My lash tech is going on maternity, which is really exciting for her. So I thought I would just have a break from my eyelashes for a while, which is going to be a little change for me. But yeah, we've got a couple of hours. So let's get some autumn decor out. I feel like I do need to have a big catch up on my channel really. The last few months, a lot has been going on within our family. Some of it is quite heavy stuff and not something that I want to get into this video today. It would just change the mood of this video a little bit, and I want this video to be light-hearted and fun. I have been absent, I have been distant, and I have just become a bit of a recluse really, but these are the best months of the year coming up. We have so much going on, and I really would just like to start documenting some of that for our family. Let's just get straight into the video. Let's spend the day together and let's just have a cozy autumn morning going through some decor. This video is going to be a little bit of a mix-up as well of like new purchases I've made. I did a mini autumn Temu order, which I'm going to share later on in this video, and I'll also show you all of the new kind of autumn bits that I bought when I show you the autumn decor in a minute. I also ordered some new pods for the coffee machine. I thought I'd get some more flavors which is more suited to the season. So of course I had to get a pumpkin spice. I have been addicted to pumpkin spice in the shops. Starbucks pumpkin spice. I think I got a large and it came just under or just over £6. £6 for one coffee is absolutely crazy. I mean, I'm still going to do it, but that is crazy. That is definitely not a daily habit by far, or definitely not one that I can afford. Greg's got a pumpkin spice coffee and it is so nice. So that has kind of been my go-to. Also the Costa maple, what is it called? Maple something. Oh God, I can't remember off the top of my head. Is so nice as well. So anyway, back to these pods. Pumpkin spice cake. I also got maple pecan, and then I got sweet vanilla, which isn't really too autumnal, but I mean it's still like a nice cozy flavor, and I'm definitely into my sweet flavors. They had a couple on the website which were sold out, which I did want to get, so I will try and pick those up next time I kind of make an order. But obviously I've got 50 pods here, so I do not need to make an order anytime soon. And they also had gingerbread, which is out of stock, but I want to get that one in ready for Christmas. But I'm going to get these all out. I want to do the coffee station first because I want to make a drink in a sec. I'm talking about coffee station as if barista is my career. This is my coffee station, basically just my coffee machine and an ugly kettle, which we won't even talk about right now. This, I lost my tea, one of these, because it cracked. So I just want to do something a little autumnal with this, get the pods out and just make it a little bit more cuter. Because let's be honest, this is looking flat. This is looking dreary. This is giving dull. Look how cute that pod is with the leaves on.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. You leave my eyes still closed, they're coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, gold.
I have collated the bits I'm going to be using today on the living room floors. Some new bits, some old bits, and I do actually also have some more bits upstairs, some pillows, cushions, other kind of bits which I haven't included down here because I'm just going to start off with this and see how far we get today. I do have a nice collection here to work with. New bits I have for this year, I have got these tea towels and this ghost oven mitt from Next. I thought it was so cute, and I have so many pumpkins. I thought I'd pick up a few more ghost items this year. I will decorate for Halloween once it gets closer to Halloween, like get out the more kind of garish, tacky Halloween stuff that the kids absolutely love. I will do that closer to Halloween, but I thought that these are quite neutral and nice and they could go out now. I have this gorgeous hurricane vase from Next, And it has like pumpkins and butternut squashes all around the bottom. I thought that that was stunning. I have got this. I don't know if it smells nice because I haven't actually opened it up, but this is from Aldi. I think it was $3.99, and the jar looks really, really cute as well. So that will look nice on display. I also have another diffuser that was just from B&M. Coming up to a couple of new mugs. These white pumpkin mugs, they're old, but these were new in Home Bargains this year, so I picked up the kind of darker colour. Just says Hello Autumn on it, and then I also got the lighter colour as well, and this one's got a bit of a speckled look to it, which I thought was really nice. This vase here and these bits together are going to be my favourite new pieces I think this autumn. I got this inspo from an Instagram account. I'll leave down below. KJ Green Home, I've probably got that wrong, but anyway, I'll link it down below. And she did this amazing, really affordable autumn display for her house, and all of the items were from the range. So this vase here was from the range. I think it was $12.99. How nice is that for $12.99? And it's quite big as well. And then these autumn bouquets, these were probably not as cheap, but they were £10. So I've got two of those. Got this one here, and they just look like really full bouquets in gorgeous autumnal colours. She had a gorgeous round tray under hers, but they didn't have that in the ranges I went to. I went to two different ranges. I think she must have sold them out. They didn't have them anywhere. So I ended up going for this. Can't really see it too easily because bits underneath it. This kind of leaf mat, because it was nice and flat, so I thought I could still stand the vase on top and then this could go underneath. And then some bits to style with the vase, which she did actually have in a video, was this kind of wooded knot, which matches with the vase really, really nicely. And also this pear. Again, gorgeous autumn colours and very, very heavy as well. Like, this is weighty. Can't remember the exact price. I want to say around £5, and then I think this was like $3.99 or something. So affordable altogether, and I just can't wait to display that on the table. Whilst I was in the range as well, I picked up some flower stems. So I saw these. I think this is called Pussy Willow, isn't it? I might have that wrong, but these look really, really lovely. I have this candle new from Home Bargains. It just says cinnamon swirl, freshly baked on it. Oh God, I tried to pull off this already and it's proving difficult, which is not a vibe for this video. So hopefully I can try and get that off in a minute. But yeah, I just thought that was nice. And I think I'll probably put this in the kitchen because it's just got farmhousey kitchen vibes. This is a new pumpkin for the collection this year. I mean, I haven't gone pumpkin crazy because, like I said, I've already got quite a few pumpkins. I think it was only about $3.99 in Home Bargains. So how could I leave that behind? Coming over to this side, we have the other bouquet, which I got from the range. And then I also got this huge display bowl from the range. Again, I think this was really inexpensive. I'll try and link it down below if I can. I couldn't see any of this stuff on the website because I did try to order online before I visited the store. I did see this in store and thought, I'm going to pick that up, you know. So hopefully we can try and do something with that. But that will go with all seasons as well, like the vase and this. I don't just have to have those out at autumn. They'd be quite nice in the summertime as well. I picked up this the other day in Matalan, just as a cozy little throw for the sofa because it was only £7. TK Maxx has not been TK Maxxing with the candles of late. I mean, since I've last been in, maybe they have upped their game a little bit, but when I went in, they didn't have that many, but I did find this one, the pumpkin soy latte, which smelled nice, and it's got quite a cute little lid. I just want a nice smelling house, you know? Tea towels and napkins, they are all last year. Pumpkin potpourri, that was from last year. So over here I have my flower stems from the Suffolk Nest, which I did use last year and I'm going to use again this year. Absolutely love them, so gorgeous. But I have found some great stems in the range. I mean, honestly, they are coming through. Look at these. I can separate them. I honestly wish I had got more of these. They look like they could be so much more expensive than what they were. They were £3.49. So nice. So I got 3 of those actually. I also got this green hydrangea stem before I picked up the autumn bouquet, so I don't actually know if I'll use this today, but it's still a lovely one that we can use in the future. I've got some burgundy flowers. I think I've got some more of these. I do have some more florals upstairs. I've only just brought down a couple at the moment, so we'll just see how we go, and I can go back and get more if I feel like we need more. And then this one, which was only $1.99, which is these flowers, which just look really, really cute, and I thought I could try and mix them in somewhere as well. what we've done with Coffee Corner. I mean, not amazing, but I think this is quite a cute little setup, and at least the pods are nice and easy to get to. And then I put in the window the new range stems, which I'm absolutely loving, and I just put the little wicker pumpkin and the candle on the windowsill. I'm pretty much done with. I'm not doing anything too crazy. The TV art, I have bought some new TV art, but I still need to work out how to change the art over. This new vase is just my absolute favorite. I just think it looks so gorgeous. I've just taken out the green potted plant that was in this vase out. And I've just replaced it with these kind of yellowy dried flowers. And then I've taken this bowl, which was on my living room console. It is this gorgeous leaf bowl. I actually got some Primark last year, and I kept it out all year round, but obviously with the leaves, it's very fitting for autumn. And then it's got a bit of pumpkin potpourri inside. These tiny, tiny mini pumpkins. That one's broken, but these, how cute are they? I absolutely love them. And I'm just gonna put these in the windowsill, just to add a little bit of something more in the windowsill. About new things I bought for autumn, I have got all of these new autumnal cleaning bits. I'm hoping to do an autumn clean with me. This Lenore range smells insane. I ended up buying 3 of the scent boosters just because honestly the smell is just incredible. White musk and golden maple. Also went for the fabric conditioner. So this is the Mrs. Hinch range. I found this in Home Bargains. I think it's in B&M as well. Probably other places, but yeah, the Mrs. Hinch range. I also got the Flash Speed Mops. Haven't used those, so I don't know how scented they will be. Sorry, my fridge is having a moment. Thank you very much, fridge. I also got the spray. I just went all out, you know, got the whole range. Why not? Wash pods and also the fabric spray. I have got some plug refills, the Mrs. Hinch plug refill, and then I've also got this vanilla cookie. I currently have this one plugged into our hallway, and every time I open the door when I get in the house, I can just smell this straight away, and it is so, so nice. And then I've also got a pumpkin spice diffuser. And then I saw this was a recent buy, Cozy Moments Zoflora. They did have some other Zoflora winter scents, but this was the only one I saw that was like new that I haven't seen before. I think they had, is it Winter Spice? Which I had, I think, last year, but yeah, like I said, this is the first time I've ever seen this one in there, so I thought I'd give this a go. Cozy Moments. I mean, what does a cozy moment smell like? We shall find out. But yeah, I can't wait to do a little autumn clean around the house. Miniature haul, but the main reason I went on to Temu was to get a new phone case, because my phone case is currently this pinky flowery one, very much giving spring, very much giving summer. So I wanted to get some that fitted in with the season a bit more. So I opted for 2 brown ones. I don't know why I got 2 brown. And then I also got a leopard print one, because leopard is very much an animal print that is in this season. So then I also got this kind of Bordeaux red burgundy phone case as well, because that is again another really trending colour this season. So I'm excited. I'm going to put one of these on in a minute. I'm not sure which one to go for. I might just go for brown for now, because that's pretty neutral. There we go. We can see the colours a little bit better here. Now I've taken all the packaging off, but cute. And I'm pretty sure these were like £1 to £2 each, isn't it? And then I also ended up getting the hair clips just because I saw it. It was really cheap, and again, it's kind of in this burgundy colour. Yeah, that will hold up my hair. It's nice and large, that one. And then I got a bag. this little red bag. Yeah, just a little miniature bag. So although like up close you can tell it's kind of cheap, I feel like when it's styled with an outfit, you're not really going to be able to tell. And it was just going to add a little pop of colour without me having to spend a lot of money on a bag. So yeah, I thought that was cute. And then also this brown bag, which again, brown is a very seasonal colour and very on trend this season. I mean, how many times do I want to say season? But yeah, just this large tote bag so I can grab everything that I need, chuck it in there. It is very flimsy and thin, but again, I didn't pay very much for it. I mean, I'll try and link it down below. But I thought it's going to be able to fit a lot in. Go with a lot of outfits. I've put on some leggings now as well because I'm just about to head out to my eyelash appointment in a minute and I didn't want the knitted trousers of this outfit to get dirty. Yeah. I thought that little Temu order was quite cute. I want to order some more things off there on the run up to Halloween and Christmas because obviously items are quite cheap and I can get a few like gifts and stuff for the kids. So if I do, then I'll try and keep you updated on things that I get. I also wanted to share these books with you because how cute is the aesthetic of these books, the Cinnamon Bun Bookstore and the Pumpkin Spice Cafe. So I started reading the Pumpkin Spice Cafe. Where am I? I'm up to here. I only started it yesterday as well. I'm really enjoying it. It is a bit of a fluffy, romantic book, which is not me. I actually do quite like dark, I like fantasy, yeah, dark romance is more my vibe. So I didn't think I'd like this, but as I bought it, I'm not gonna buy it and not read it. I'm really enjoying it. It feels like just watching a small town autumnal drama on TV, but I'm just reading it in a book. So like I said, I'm not finished, so we'll see as the book goes on if I still keep on enjoying it. So far, so good. Out of 5, I would rate that a 3 because it's not like my style book, but I'm definitely enjoying it. So now it's time to head out to my eyelash appointment. Not long after that, it is going to be the school run, and I'm also going to be Big Bald Barry with my no eyelash eyes. So yeah, I'm going to leave the vlog here. I really hope that you have enjoyed watching today's video. I have had such fun filming again. It feels really, really good, and hopefully I'll try and have a big catch-up vlog. Thank you so much for watching this, and I shall see you all in a video soon. Bye!